Come with me on our van tour. We finally finished most of the van, except some of the little fixins, and I might as well take you on a tour. This is the padded seats that we refaced our front seats. Look at that beautiful logo. Ignore the nails. We gotta finish the front. This is a 3-person seat with seat belts to the chassis, which we will turn into a bed eventually. So this is our cooler. It came with the van eventually. We repurposed it, but this is not our main fridge, but it's nice. This is overhead compartment to store things. More cabinets that we built with 80/20. We will be making a hatch. And then this is our Mabru 12-volt AC, and we will be making a frame to go around it to finish it off. This is our kitchen with a full-size sink. Love to have the full-size sink. And we have on-demand water and hot water. Nice to take a shower outside if we want to as well. These are cabinets that we rescued from an old project and we reused them. And still have to do some stuff on the inside because it's a hot mess. This is also a fridge that we salvaged from a yacht. Thank you to my Aunt Robin for saving that for us and getting it. This is our wet bath. Love to have a bath in the van. This is our Max Air fan with a little hanging mirror that's just makes do. This is our dinette. It can turn into a bed. We're missing the lagoon because I'm doing some modifications, and this is the kids' top bunk. It goes down on a Happy Jack bed lift system. That bed is about a full-size bed, and our bed is almost a queen-size bed. So it nicely seats 5. Right now sleeps 4, and hopefully we'll sleep maybe 5 in the future. This is our overhead kitchen storage, which we also have to make cabinets for. And then this is our lovely sign that we got off of Etsy. I love it. It's the personal touch. And then in the future, we may be putting a drop-down television that swivels on 360 degrees so we can watch it from the kids' seat, from our swivel seats in the front, from the dinette, and hopefully outside when we're camping. Thank you. More to come.